Okay, I've got a great medical malpractice question for you today. If a doctor misdiagnosed your condition, but the delay in diagnosing the correct condition didn't make a difference in your treatment or outcome, can you still bring a lawsuit here in New York? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. The answer is, you likely will not be able to, and here's why. In these misdiagnosis cases, the key question that I need to answer is, if your condition had been timely diagnosed, how would your treatment and how would your outcome be different? So now, if you had a misdiagnosis, and most patients are going to come in saying, hey, the doctor didn't do what he was supposed to do, he didn't recognize I had this problem, and as a result of that, I now went for days, weeks, or months, or even longer without anybody recognizing my problem. And now I will acknowledge that, I'll understand that. But the question that comes after that is, well, as a result of that delay, no matter how short or long that delay is, if that delay didn't make a difference in the treatment you're receiving, then we can't show that the damages, that the injury you suffered is significant. Because if you would have gotten the same treatment earlier, that you would have gotten 3 months later, 6 months, a year later, then it's going to be very challenging, if not impossible, to show that the injuries you now have are a direct result of that lengthy delay. Oh, I didn't get the appropriate treatment. Fine. Well, now that you got the appropriate treatment, what problem do you expect to have in the future? And if you had gotten treatment earlier, when you should have gotten it, wouldn't it have been the same exact treatment? And if the answer is yes, then I ask the question, how is your condition different, even though you had that delay? And many times the patients are unable to answer that question. And if we cannot get a medical expert to confirm that there is a difference in the treatment or the outcome as a result of a doctor's delay in timely diagnosing your condition, then we cannot proceed with a valid case. Because in New York, we have to confirm through a medical expert that not only was there a violation or a departure from good and accepted medical care, but that violation was a cause of your injury. And going back to the misdiagnosis question, would the outcome or treatment have been different if this was recognized earlier? If the answer is yes, now we may have something to talk about. If the answer is no, you're going to have a very tough time finding a really good, experienced attorney to help you with your legal issue. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you because this comes up often in patients who tell me that they were misdiagnosed. And you know, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if you think your doctor misdiagnosed your condition and your treatment happened here in New York, and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you've got questions and you need answers, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.